Hi everyone, and today we will learn how we can make viewports in AutoCAD to see different view of this 3D model like front view, side view and top view. So this is the 3D model and which we will convert into 2D. So you have to click on layout and you can see here we are in the layout here and we will delete this one and now you type here view port, viewports and here you have to select which one you want. Let's say 1 4 equal, and here you can do the setup, and here you can do the spacing between them. Let's say I want make spacing 10, and you can change the style here. We will keep as conceptual. Okay, and now you have to select a space. Select up to this point. Now these four viewports are created here. So let's say we have to double click on the viewport here and click here top view and from conceptual to hidden. Same way here, click here hidden, and here we want front view. Same way, double click here, conceptual to hidden, and here we want side view. So in this way we can create a different view in viewports. So you can write here empty and this one 5, and I will change the font Arial black. In this way you can write here, and this is isometric view. This is the top view. This is the front view. This is the side view. So you can do the dimensioning here also. For dimensioning, you have to click on annotate, and here we have to select diameter. So we have to change the setting here. Click on D, modify. You can change the color as per your own choice. I will give text height 4 here, and I will give green and align now above. It's okay. Arrow height I will give also 4. You can change primary region to 0, and here scale with layout. Don't forget to click this one while doing dimensioning in viewports. On diameter, you can decrease the text height. We will make it 2.5. 5. In this way, you can do the dimensioning. So you can add viewports as per your own requirement. If you have any comment related to viewports, please comment below in the comment box. Thanks for watching.